Is it recording?
Yeah.
Well, hello, McKinley Elementary School. My name is Nick, and I'm Natalie Peck's dad. And as we're all at home, I have Natalie shooting me with the camera so that I can talk to you about what I'm doing. I am making a bunch of personal protective equipment for people around Burbank. And what is personal protective equipment? Well, you've probably heard that word a lot around the coronavirus. And it's about things like this that can keep you from getting other people's moisture and spit and coughs and stuff on your face. And that helps protect you from getting the virus, okay? So what I'm doing, because there's not enough of this stuff out there in the world, I decided I was going to try to help the community and do my best to help other people. And so, in order to do that, I bought this thing over here. And this is called a 3D printer. This is a Prusa 3D printer from Czechoslovakia. And as you can see, what you do with a 3D printer is you put in computer instructions as to how to make something, and then it just sits there and prints it over and over and over again. It just takes all of the plastic from up here, and then it takes it and it melts it and it puts it there. And I've been running it 24 hours a day since Saturday when I bought it. And the whole purpose is to be able to make protective stuff like this. So here is a protective face shield that's made just out of plastic there, and then these regular overhead projector sheets. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Overhead projector sheets that I bought from Amazon. They're just plastic, but they cover your face really nicely. Okay? So right now, I am making a whole bunch of them for Grocery Outlet. I brought a few of them over yesterday and they loved it, and they said, "Oh my God, could you make more?" And I said, "Of course I could. I'll make one for everybody there." "How many people?" And they said, "We have 26 people. So I'm making another 21 of them. And these are the ones that I've printed so far. See that? I started printing these yesterday. It takes about an hour per one of these to be able to print it. So let me show you what we do to actually make the rest of the face shield once these are printed. Well, as you can see, they have these little nubbins on there. And that's where we connect this piece of plastic. And the way that we do it is by taking a regular 3-hole punch, although I don't know if you can see this, but because I couldn't slip it through the 3-hole punch, I used a hacksaw to cut extra space in the 3-hole punch for it to be able to work the way I needed it to for this. So what I'm going to do is you take this little spacer and we're going to put it right there, and then I'm going to take the piece of plastic, our plastic shield, and I'm going to put it in there and get it lined up neatly against the spacer, and then punch it, and now it's got 3 holes in it, and now I flip it over and do the same thing. And because that spacer is there, it'll offset the holes. So now, can you see that with the camera? Can you see the little holes there? I don't know if you can, but let's make a shield with it, shall we? So here, back up a little bit. So now all I have to do is I take this and I just snap the holes over those little tabs. Oops. There we go. And then I snap the holes over the little tabs. It's a little tight. And there we go. And so I will give this to the people at the Grocery Outlet, or at another guy who's got a company that's delivering food to senior citizens, and he asked for 5 of them. So I'm going to be making these for a long time, and I'm giving them to other people. And when I say giving, I mean giving, because this is not about making money or anything. This is about helping other people. And so that's really, really important to me. So I'm very excited about this. And the question that I have, you can look at me now, is what are you doing to give? What are you doing to be able to help other people during this coronavirus thing? If you're a kid, the best you can do is probably be nice to your parents and maybe wash the dishes and do what they say and make it easy on them, because they're having just as hard a time at home as you are. So, whatever you can do, please do it. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. That's it.
How do I close it?
You hit the button again.